I'll tell you what, we have had an interesting scenario setting up with this moisture hanging around clouds, just a disturbance hanging into northern Ohio right now and really much of the Midwest at this point. Flurries around for the morning, temperatures in the 20s. We're going to hang on to those flurry chances for the afternoon. Y'all, this is the gray days, our dark days, our gray days. We have about, what's this, the third or the fourth? So we probably have 17 more days until we turn the tide and we finally get more daylight coming in. So hang in there, we've got it. But also kind of keep an eye on this radar because check it out, we do have some snow showers around. None of this is the industrial steam plume. But notice that we have a little band that's offshore of Cleveland. It's going the other direction. So we're reversing the lake effect. That does happen. It's a wind-driven event. But everything kind of seems to be all helter-skelter there as far as direction goes. And we have high pressure that's in control. So this is all trapped moisture. Nothing really to give it good oomph, not to get those good snowflakes going. We just kind of have little drizzly snowflakes, unfortunately, and those calm winds out there. We're not alone in this. You can see just all this ambient moisture hanging around throughout much of the Midwest right now. There is some lake effect coming off of Lake Michigan, and we may actually get a band that starts to form here east of Cleveland as we get into the start of the day tomorrow. That could actually be responsible for a little bit of snow on I-90 eastbound once we get into the day tomorrow. Our next weather makers up here is a frontal boundary that will drop in for Thursday. I think the timing on that will be for the evening commute Thursday. And this storm system that's coming onshore of the west coast will actually stay south of us. That's going to cause problems in the deep south, will not cause problems for us. That's a good system for us. So as far as the forecast goes for tonight, these scattered snow showers around, you can kind of see how things start to lift out a little bit. But with a dominant west wind, we're probably going to put some lake effect snows down into Lake, Northern Geauga, and Ashtabula counties as we head through the day tomorrow. Otherwise, it's just those flurries, temperatures flirting with freezing. We're not going to get a lot of sun breaks tomorrow, unfortunately. And as we get into the afternoon, into the evening, you can see things starting to break up a little bit. Then we kind of fast forward to Thursday because Thursday looks like it will be more problematic for us. We'll start off with clouds, temperatures in the upper 20s, and by afternoon, you can see things really start to light up as far as those snow showers go. That front drops in about commute time, and it's all about impact, not necessarily how much snow is coming, but when the snow is coming. That's going to be the big problem potentially. As for tomorrow, look at this, not a lot, but right up here, if we get some of these little snow bands going, we could indeed see a few inches of snow out in snowbelt territory. Universal Windows Direct forecast keeps us in the 30s, but with clearing skies expected as we get into the weekend. And then next week, bring it on. Temperatures in the mid and upper 40s with rain chances returning 10 days from now.
This Holiday Light Showcase is brought to you by Magic of Lights. Submit your photo on WKYC.com today.